right here, we have this incredible 1989 930 Turbo Coupe. This is Porsche's final model year of the infamous 930 Turbo. So sitting here in its factory color of linen gray metallic. Now Porsche only made 639 930 turbos in 1989, and this is one of them. So what's impossible to miss and really distinguishes the difference between a turbo and a 911 is the wide body and the whale tail really sets it apart. And there's one more thing I love about this car. That's the CB rally lights. They are sensational. Not only do they set the car apart, they make it look mean, aggressive, it looks like a rally car, and it just takes over the road. I mean, it's almost like they're a character, you know, staring at you. They're absolutely amazing. This is your trunk, and it's a little bit tight, but it does the job. So before we go inside, let me show you how to get into the engine compartment, the deck lid. It's right here inside the door jamb. There we have it. The engine is a 3.3 liter turbocharged flat six with 282 horsepower and 0 to 60 in 4.9 seconds. At the time this car came out, it was a supercar of the road and dominated everywhere it went. And in fact, it still does now. It just commands the road. So Porsche cars came standard with a sunroof, and it was an option to delete the sunroof. This car has a sunroof. Let's check it out. And it works flawlessly. So here we have the low slung bucket seats. So this is considered one of the most refined and desirable versions of the original 930 turbos. So in 1989, most people had cassette players in their cars, but this car has a CD player. So you're like the king of the block, blasting your music, hitting the turbo. So we're gonna take it for a spin. I'm gonna let you know how it drives. So the handling is much heavier than a normal car, but it's really responsive. You can really feel everything on the road. You get the classic 5-gauge layout. Unlike the previous years, this 1989 model is paired with a G50 manual transmission, and it's a 5-speed, which is a huge upgrade from the earlier years that were a 4-speed. The added gear not only improves drivability, but also helps reduce turbo lag at lower speeds. It offers a smoother, quieter shifting experience. I love it when that turbo just kicks in. That power is sensational. There's a reason they call these the Widowmakers, and you can tell why immediately just from feeling it. So the fact this is a rear engine car, you can really feel the difference. I mean, you're just sitting in your seat, you get down to the second and third gear, and you just feel, you feel the car just taking off from behind. It's an incredible and sensational feeling. It's really second to none.